everyone, my name is Sally. I was born on the 25th of April in 2014, so now I'm 11 years old. I live in Kiet Seng District, Thái Bình Province, located in the north of Vietnam. Last holiday was on 30th of April because it was regulator day of Vietnam. Everyone had 5 days off, so I had a wonderful holiday with my family. On Wednesday morning, I finished all my homework. So in the afternoon, I went to the beach with my family along with my uncle and aunt's family went to Cron Vành Beach by car. We played on the sand, swam in the beach, and ate fresh seafood. Everyone had a great time. On Thursday, we had delicious food with clay pot rice. A traditional rice in clay pot. It was tasty. That evening, we went to go supermarket. We buy something and ate spaghetti in Jollibee restaurant. It was yummy. On the Friday, we stayed at cousin's house. In the evening, we had hot pot, spicy noodle. It was so delicious. We laughed a lot. And we went to Ghi Ba Bắc to Working Street. We ate candy and many kinds of sweets at there. On Saturday, we came back to home to visit my grandparents' house. We had lunch and dinners at their house. They taught us many stories of when they was young. We was happy. So in the evening, we came back home to have a new school week. I wish next year I can have a wonderful holiday like this holiday. This is really a interesting memory with me. I love it so much. Goodbye.